Hi, my name is Kevin Riley. I'm the CTO of Ribbon Communications. I'm here at Perspectives18. Have had a great event so far. We've been out messaging strongly and interacting with our customers around our innovative growth strategies that I'm going to spend a few minutes kind of summarizing for you on this video. When we talk about how we're innovating and where we're going with Ribbon as we think about the future, I think the easiest way to sum it up is that we want to move up the stack and out to the enterprise edge. In terms of moving up the stack, we're very focused on analytics. We've debuted and recently announced our Ribbon Protect platform, which is our big data analytics platform underpinned with machine learning and artificial intelligence to bring very sophisticated network operational management for unified communications on the network, and also advanced security on the network, which is now becoming very top of mind with most enterprises. So we're all about collecting the very valuable information that's flowing through our equipment on the network, helping our customers monetize that most effectively, whether it has to do with network operations, subscriber data monetization, or raising the security posture of the network. We do all of this with Ribbon Protect. Actually announced our first Tier 1 customer win with SoftBank here at the event, which we're very happy about. It's kind of a great jump start for the product and something for us to build on as we move forward. As we think about moving out to the edge, we really are adopting a cloud-first mindset and see really rapid transformation at the enterprise edge as the services that the enterprise typically consumes today are really rapidly moving towards an as-a-service model being delivered from the cloud. Where we see the enterprise edge moving is a series of layered offers that are kind of rapidly converging in our industry. And when I think about it, I think of it as kind of an enterprise stack that builds up that's really underpinned by SD-WAN, which brings kind of managed services and reliable cloud consumption to the masses in the form of kind of a highly programmable software-enabled networking as compared to kind of MPLS that's been used in the past to accomplish these things. And MPLS has typically been reserved for those willing to write larger checks, typically used in the higher enterprises. SD-WAN really brings managed services down to the SMB and enables as a service for the masses in the SMB. On top of that, we layer SIP trunking as a service. This is something we've operationalized with Verizon already through automation and our software SBC and our flexible policy engine, enabling UC connectivity down to the enterprise in a way that's fully automated, enabled in software, take turn-up times from months to days. Right? Once you've plumbed that network down to the enterprise for IP data and unified communications, now you layer on top of that service assurance. We do that with big data analytics with our Ribbon Protect, be able to monitor the service end-to-end, be able to troubleshoot the service end-to-end. On top of that, once you have the service up running, you can see what's happening with the service on the network. Now you want to secure it. The next upsell layer is security as a service. We also deliver that with Ribbon Protect. And then finally, you have the application itself, which is now moving to a new consumption model. It's being consumed from the cloud. Two types of ways that we see this service being consumed. One is the entire stack. Take your PBX, take your voice solution, and move it to the cloud and consume it from the cloud in the form of unified communications as a service. The second is we see an entirely new consumption model for unified communications in the form of CPaaS, or SDK type of embedded communications and applications. We're seeing our application, our voice application, embed into other applications for a much richer user experience. We think this is the future of unified communications, and we deliver this with our Candy platform. So when we think about aligning around and helping to find the next generation enterprise edge, we see it really as a layer of SD-WAN, SIP trunking as a service, service assurance as a service, security as a service, and then UCaaS and CPaaS on top of that. That is our vision for the enterprise edge, and that's what we've set out to build here at Ribbon. And that really is one of the fundamental tenets of our innovation strategy moving forward.